the, to- the tortoise that wanted to fly. There was once a tortoise who was never satisfied. He lived on a sweet grass by the forest pool, but he felt very bored. One day, he noticed a large eagle flying overhead. He looked very graceful, flying so easily that the tortoise decided he would learn how to fly too. When the eagle came to rest on a rock near the pool, the tortoise got his chance and said, "Oh, handsome eagle, you fly so well. Please teach me how to fly." The eagle was surprised. "What? Teach you how to fly? You have no wings or feathers." Again, the tortoise pleaded, "Oh, please, eagle, I'm sure I can learn." The tortoise continued asking the eagle to teach him how to fly. Finally, the eagle agreed. He picked up the tortoise with his claw and they flew very high in the sky. Then he let go of the tortoise and told him to flap his legs and fly. The tortoise flapped his leg as hard as he could, but he fell like a stone towards the ground. Luckily, he fell into a bush. He was badly shaken, but he had no serious injuries.